This is the SL36 Mini Well Light. In our industry, this is a tool that I needed on my designs, and I actually worked with a number of lighting designers that use this product for so many different applications. This actually comes with 5 different tops. A lot of times our clients are using this in core drilling when they need just a very small luminaire that could be cored into the concrete or into the stonework around a property, and that could really remain flush and hidden. It's high heel proof, you could walk on top of it, drive over it. And the things that set it apart is we obviously give a long wire lead so we get from one product to the next and reduce connections. We have great CRI. This is high output CRI. It's not a real bright light, only 125 lumens, but it's able to project up to that 10 to 15 foot range, really designed for soft lighting. Another unique aspect of this product is we actually designed this so it could fit on our extension stem. There were applications at an ILI event where they wanted an elevated well light. So they were able to put this on an 18-inch extension stem, thread this right onto it, and it worked perfect for that application. The other thing that's nice about this is a lot of times if these products are putting in a concrete pour, it needs PVC or a concrete pour kit. So we actually designed this to fit into a 1.25-inch PVC, the electric PVC, and this allows somebody to pipe everything in and then put the products in later with an easy application that's inexpensive and saves you money and makes the installation run that much smoother. Key features of our SL36 is single source LED with different optic options, a frosted lens to reduce glare, ease and really ability to use in so many different applications with different tops, virgin brass that could stand up to really rough conditions, and high CRI, beautiful light output, great light control. So this light is so versatile and can be used in so many applications and is ultra reliable, ultra durable, and performs at the highest level. I love the SL36 Mini Well Light. It's so versatile. There's so many different applications this can be used for. It's compact, it's small, it's got beautiful light output. The SL36 is my favorite Mini Well Light, and that's Sterling Lighting.